Namaste, doctor, and welcome back. Today, we are diving into a topic that affects so many people: respiratory issues. From allergies and coughs to asthma and sinus trouble, it feels like these are more common than ever. Why is that?
Yes, you're right. Respiratory disorders are on the rise because of increased pollution, sedentary lifestyle, eating processed food, and also sudden seasonal changes. According to Ayurveda, this is because of disturbances or an imbalance in the three doshas, that is Vata, Pitta, and Kapha.
Let's begin with a basic one: a persistent cough. Some people have dry cough, others wet. What's the Ayurvedic view?
That's a great question. The dry cough is usually because of increase in vata. It is a persistent cough which is non-productive. There is no phlegm. Whenever there is an increase in kapha, you get wet cough or productive cough where phlegm comes out. And there is another type of recurrent cough, or there are bouts of cough or frequent coughs which are caused because of increase in pitta, that is increase in heat or acidity in the body. So what happens is there is acid reflux which causes irritation of the throat, and because of that there is cough.
So, how would you treat these?
The root cause is always digestion and accumulated toxins.
Are there home remedies people can try?
Yes, for dry cough, you can drink warm milk with half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a pinch of long pepper or pipali powder. For wet or productive cough, you can take 6 to 8 leaves of tulsi along with a teaspoonful of ginger powder, an inch of muleti stick, and half a white onion, 6 to 8 raisins, and flax seeds, 1 teaspoonful, in 2 glasses of water. Boil it till half of it remains, that is, reduce it to 1 glass, and divide it in equal parts and have it 3 to 4 times a day. Whenever you consume it warm. And if it is because of increase in pitta, there is throat irritation. So what you need to do is you take 1 teaspoonful of ghee in the morning on an empty stomach with a little lukewarm water, or you can have fresh aloe vera pulp 1 tablespoon in the morning with lukewarm water on an empty stomach.
Let's talk about allergies, especially sneezing and nasal blockage that worsens with weather change.
That is typically due to weakened immunity and a disturbance in the vata and kapha.
Interesting. And what about sinus issues? So many people complain about sinus pressure, especially in the mornings.
Yes, that is a very common problem. In that, we give internal medication and also detoxification by a procedure called Nasya, where we give a massage and hot fomentation to the areas around the nostrils and the sinuses, and then we instill medicated oil drops in the nostrils for a week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks, depending on the condition.
It's scary when someone can't breathe. Can Ayurveda help manage asthma too?
Yes, asthma in Ayurveda is called tamak shvasa, and we treat it with internal herbal preparations which act as bronchodilators, and also with panchakarma, which relieves the patients of their symptoms and also reduce the severity and frequency of attacks.
That's really hopeful. So overall, Ayurveda doesn't just treat symptoms, it strengthens the respiratory system.
Exactly. We focus on diet, lifestyle, digestion, and detoxification. A strong Agni and balanced doshas mean that you will resist allergens and stay healthy season after season.
Thank you so much, doctor. This was eye-opening. In our next episode, we'll talk about something people ask a lot: skin and hair health, right?
Yes, we will discuss common concerns like acne, pigmentation, hair fall, and how Ayurveda helps to balance your health inside and out.